Hi, this is Suzanne from EFT-scripts.com, and I'm here to help explain some of the Instagram posts made by Dr. Peter Stapleton, of whom I'm a great fan. She is a big researcher in the field of EFT tapping, and she quotes her and other people's research, and it's very, very exciting. So, if you know somebody that needs to be convinced about EFT or just has heard about and isn't sure, please do send it to them. And the links to everything that I quote here are in the description of this video. After EFT tapping, there were good, measurable, decent results in things like anxiety, depression, PTSD, post-traumatic stress disorder, cravings like wanting a glass of wine too many, wanting a chocolate that you shouldn't be having, or wanting a cigarette, that kind of thing. And also what they found is it helps the immune system. Imaging studies have shown that parts of the brain that are associated with reasoning and stress management experience an improvement after the EFT tapping. And with EFT tapping, we literally stimulate special acupressure points. Tapping on acupressure points that we use in EFT. It generates an electrical signal. And this is how this happens. I'm just reading here, so I'm just quoting now. Certain large proteins within cells can transform a mechanical stimulus, like this, into electricity. These acupressure points that we use in EFT tapping, they're found above the fascia. The fascia is a type of connective tissue which is primarily made of collagen, and collagen is a semiconductor. And that makes the electrical signals go whoop, very quickly to where they should be going to. So even though you might be tapping on here for your lower back pain, it reaches your lower back. What happens when we're doing EFT tapping is that we're connected to the exact thing in the brain that bothers us. Like last Tuesday when somebody ran across the street and I saw them break their leg and I was traumatized by it. It goes directly there and it deactivates the effect that that has on me, basically in layman's terms. Now, when we evoke a fearful memory, and a lot of our feelings, including anger, are about fear. Everything about us is about self-preservation, and fear is a very important reaction. That when we evoke a fearful memory or threatening image, like somebody with a fear of spiders looking at a picture of a spider that kind of gets them. This activates the amygdala. The amygdala is a little gland in your head, and tapping whilst we're in this mental state, and I'm reading here, it sends deactivating signals to the amygdala, and amygdala basically is the bit that tells your body to panic, worry, fear, that kind of thing. And what I find even more exciting in research that compared EFT tapping to CBT, this is the interesting bit, when it came to long-term results, i.e. I have the treatment today, so maybe I have the treatment today, next week and the week after, that kind of stuff, and then I stop having treatment for 6 months. So that's when the EFT has proven that it lasts longer than CBT. In my experience, EFT lasts, the results do not decrease. They just kind of stay there, and it's as if they stay there waiting for you to do more EFT tapping. That's an explanation I can give. I hope this helps. I have quoted in the description of this video all the links to Dr. Peter Stapleton's Instagram posts that I took this information from. And if there's any video about anything that you want to know to do with EFT tapping or a way to tap for something, then please ask. Your wish is my command. Till next time, see you later.